OFW ka ba na naghahanap ng extra income? Nowadays, ang hirap po talaga magkasakit. Walang bayad. So, dapat talaga may extra income tayo. So, I'm looking for an international marketing partner or just sharing nyo yung mga properties ko ni Vistaland. So, bali, ang properties ko ni Vistaland, we have the condominium. Meron po tayong high-rise, medium-rise. So, kung from Taiwan, Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, or anywhere, basta nasa abroad ka, pwede ka. And we are going to help you for that. If may referral ka, may 3% commission rate ka. For example, sa 5 million na properties ko ni Vistaland, yung 3% is mayroon ka pong 150,000. Not bad, right? For extra income. Don't forget to send your resume. Your email is nasa screen po. Thank you.